Hi, my name is Paris Wolf, and today we're going to be learning binary math for how to accept or, and AND. So the first thing you need to know about accept or is that if one but not both of the numbers are your accept oring, then your answer is going to be 1. So with 1, it lines up with a 0, and that's going to carry down to a 1. On this next line with accept or, since they're both 1 here, that's going to be a 0. So I'll show you the solution here. With 0 and 0, it's carrying down to 0. Another 1 and a 1, that's a 0 with 0 and a 1. So since one of them are 1, it has to be that one of them are 1, and it carries down. And the next line here, this would be the data line, and then the second line is going to be something like the initialization vector. When you're accept oring 0 and 0 comes down to a 0, 0 and 1, you have a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, we'll look at one more here for accept or, and then we're going to look at the next ones. So with 1 and a 0, carries down to the 1. The 1 and the 1, the 0, 1 and a 0, the 1, 1 and a 1, it's a 0, 1 and a 1, it's 0. So you need to be very careful when you're reading any sort of question, because if it says accept or, then you're going to have to perform this mathematical way. If it says or, then you just need to pay attention, because with the 1 and a 0, it's still going to carry down, but with a 1 and a 1, it still carries down to a 1. So if one or both of the numbers you're oring is 1, then your answer is 1. Now, if they're both zeros, we'll take a look at that. Then it's going to carry down and be a 0. So with or, you just need one of the two lines to be a 1, and it'll carry down. So if they're both 1s, then it carries down to a 1. Now, with the and means both have to be. So if both the numbers you are anding is 1, then your answer is going to be 1. So with this, if it's a 1 and a 0, it's a 0. 0 and a 1, it's a 0. 0, 0, it's always a 0. With a 1 and a 1, then it carries down. So you really just need to pay attention if it's an accept or, and an and.